Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to another episode of Peak State Mathematics. We're still working through the parallel and perpendicular lines unit here, and we're going to do a new round of equation writing. So this time, instead of just writing an equation, we're going to have you write the equation of a line that is parallel or perpendicular to a given equation or a given line through a given point. All right, so we're going to need to do a couple different steps, and these are kind of general guidelines that'll help you out throughout any of these types of problems. First thing you're going to want to be able to do is identify what is the original slope of the given line. This can be super simple and easy if it's already in slope-intercept form or transformation form, but you're going to have to find the slope of the initial one and then use our slope relationships for, what we know about perpendicular and parallel lines. Parallel being the lines have the same slope, perpendicular being the opposite reciprocal. Then you'll have the slope of the new desired equation. We'll use that new slope and the given point to write the equation of our new desired line, preferably in transformation form. It's usually the easiest. You just use your slope, use that point, drop it in there, the h comma k. And then if we need to, like if it requests you to put it in slope-intercept form, then we can convert. So here's an example, looking up above. We've got the equation y equals 3x minus 6. It's in slope-intercept form, so we know our slope is 3. Then we can use our relationship of perpendicular, and we know the opposite reciprocal. So our new slope is m equals negative 1/3. Plug that into our transformation form using the given 0.31, and we'll see that the final equation is y equals negative 1/3 times the quantity x minus 3 plus 1. Now, if we do need to convert this, let's just simplify, and we can distribute the negative 1/3 through and combine our like terms. So our new slope-intercept form would be y equals negative 1/3 x plus 2. So there's a good example for you. Try a couple more and always learn in peak state. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.